How do you like your charts, this way or this way? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can change your MetaTrader 5 charts from a light mode to a dark mode. So let's begin first. When you come to your MetaTrader 5 app, you come to this very 3 lines at the top left hand side of the app. Tap on it, click on settings. So when you click on settings, you scroll down. When you scroll down, you will see choose theme. Okay, you click on choose theme. Then you can select dark because right now light is selected. So you see everything is changed. So when we come to our chart right now, this is now what we have. So we now have a dark mode. So our chat looks like this. If this is what you like, then you continue with it. Whenever you open your chat, it looks exactly this way. However, if you prefer it light, then you reverse by coming to this menu, then returning to the settings, then scrolling down, choose theme there, you select lights, everything has gone back to light. So that is exactly how you change your forex chart from light mode to dark mode. Wow, I think that is so simple enough. Thank you for watching, and sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out in my future videos. Thank you and have a great day.